The world of artificial intelligence has witnessed a seismic shift with the arrival of DeepSeek R1. This groundbreaking AI model, launched in January 2025 by the Chinese startup DeepSeek, has sent ripples across the globe. DeepSeek R1 is a reasoning model, akin to OpenAI's formidable O1. Its arrival marks a significant moment in the evolution of AI, challenging the established dominance of Silicon Valley. DeepSeek R1 has already made its presence felt, soaring to the top of app download charts worldwide. This surge in popularity is a testament to the model's impressive capabilities and the growing interest in AI solutions. The launch of DeepSeek R1 signifies a new era of technological innovation, with China emerging as a powerful contender in the global AI landscape. DeepSeek R1's arrival is not merely a technological advancement, it carries significant geopolitical implications. The model is viewed as a symbol of China's burgeoning technological prowess and its ambition to lead in the field of AI. Its impact extends beyond the realm of technology, influencing global perceptions of innovation and potentially reshaping the balance of power in the tech industry. The entrance of DeepSeek R1 has sparked intense competition in the AI arena. Its arrival has put pressure on established players like OpenAI to innovate and adapt. This competition is ultimately beneficial for the advancement of AI technology as a whole, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and driving further breakthroughs in the field. DeepSeek R1 boasts an impressive array of capabilities, including exceptional proficiency in mathematics and coding. The model excels at generating human-like text, carrying on conversations, and crafting various creative text formats. Like its counterpart, ChatGPT, DeepSeek R1 demonstrates remarkable fluency in multiple languages, including Mandarin, Spanish, and Arabic, broadening its accessibility and appeal to a global audience. One of DeepSeek R1's standout features is its incremental response generation, setting it apart from other language models. This approach allows the model to simulate human-like thought processes, carefully considering each word and phrase before producing a complete response. This deliberate approach results in more nuanced and contextually relevant outputs, enhancing the quality of interactions. However, unlike OpenAI's closely guarded models, DeepSeek R1 embraces an open-weight approach. This openness allows researchers and developers to delve into the model's inner workings, fostering collaboration and accelerating advancements in the field. This transparency stands in stark contrast to the more proprietary nature of some Western AI models. Despite its open nature, the specific training data used for DeepSeek R1 remains undisclosed. This lack of transparency has drawn some criticism and concerns, particularly regarding potential biases embedded within the model. As AI models become more integrated into our lives, understanding their training data and addressing potential biases is crucial for ensuring fairness and mitigating unintended consequences. DeepSeek R1 has taken the AI world by storm, not just for its capabilities but for its remarkable efficiency. Developed at a fraction of the cost of its competitors, DeepSeek R1 showcases an innovative approach to AI development. The model's cost-effectiveness stems from its unique architecture and training methodology, which leverages a combination of high-end and more affordable NVIDIA chips. This innovative approach has allowed DeepSeek to significantly reduce both the development and operational costs of R1. The model's training cost is estimated to be around $6 million, a stark contrast to the estimated $100+ million spent on training GPT-4. Furthermore, the operational cost of running DeepSeek R1 is significantly lower than that of OpenAI's O1, estimated to be around 1/30. DeepSeek's commitment to accessibility extends beyond its open-weight approach. The company has also released mini-distilled versions of R1, specifically designed for researchers and developers with limited computing power. This initiative aims to democratize access to advanced AI technology, fostering innovation and collaboration on a global scale. DeepSeek R1 incorporates cutting-edge technologies, pushing the boundaries of AI innovation. The model utilizes quantum computing to accelerate the processing of complex algorithms, enabling faster and more efficient computation. This integration of quantum computing highlights DeepSeek's commitment to pushing the technological envelope in AI development. The launch of DeepSeek R1 has sent shockwaves through the global tech industry, particularly impacting Silicon Valley. The arrival of this powerful and efficient Chinese AI model has caused a stir in the financial markets. US tech stocks experienced a notable dip following the release of DeepSeek R1, with Nvidia, a leading chip manufacturer, witnessing a 17% drop in its share price. This market reaction reflects the anxieties surrounding the shifting landscape of AI development. DeepSeek R1's success has challenged the perceived dominance of Silicon Valley in the field, demonstrating that innovation is no longer confined to a single geographical location. This shift in the balance of power has sparked a renewed sense of urgency among US tech giants to accelerate their own AI advancements. Beyond the financial markets, DeepSeek R1 has ignited a global conversation about the future of AI. Its arrival has intensified the debate surrounding AI regulation, ethical considerations, and the potential societal impact of increasingly sophisticated artificial intelligence. Governments and organizations worldwide are grappling with the need to establish guidelines and frameworks to ensure the responsible development and deployment of AI technologies. The emergence of DeepSeek R1 serves as a stark reminder that the development of AI is a global endeavor. As AI continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, collaboration, open dialogue, and a shared commitment to responsible innovation will be crucial for harnessing its potential for the betterment of humanity.